Ooh, hello guys, it's me Nightmare Gaming here. Today we're playing let's think. Aeroplane. Just Aeroplane. And I think I wanna get in this one. There's a lot of beautiful babes in there. I'll get in there. Today I'm freakishly tall. Like what? Why am I so cool? I'm tall and yeah, I'm fussy. Now, and forgot to mention, yeah, I'm unbanned from Roblox now. I'm happy. You should probably know that because I'm playing a Roblox game right now. So yeah. Oh, okay. So, okay, G13. Whom? Let's sign my seat. Oh wait, I forgot to get Robux. So if I die, and after we start, ooga booga. Wait, where's my seat? J14. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9292. We are flying at, it's too quick for my beautiful mouth to read. Can I just sit here? No? Where the hell is my seat? Bruh. I can't find it. Literally can't find her seat either. Oh, she just found it. Oh god. No. Hopefully I'm next to a window. I like the windows. Okay, these are the ABs. What? Aha! This should be me. Aha, there I am. Beautiful. Let's interact with the people, shall we? Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? Oh, wow. How are you? How are you? Good. Nice. Oh no. You're not. You're bad girl. That's not how you spell girl, I don't think. I'll just go with it. You're bad girl. You did a big hoop. No, not a big girl. You did a bigger poop. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I'm not dumb. What's this? Sandwich? Okay. FTT ... I'm not. Well, you are. Well, you are. No, I'm not. Wait, this sandwich has my, or I'm allergic to my, or oh no! F! Oh no, quickly, we need to find big G for medical. Guys, go now. Help me, go. Phew, that was a close one. Oh, thank God someone found it. I'm gonna go back to my seat. That was a big, thick, close one. Oh, my seat's over here. Let's go sit down. Why can they sit down? Huh. Oh, here we go. Oh, good. Oh, okay, I didn't get to read it. I just look down and I just see it and I'm like, oh. Huh? Oh, this looks nice. Hi, girls. Again, that's probably not how you spell girls. Hi, girls. You? You? Huh? So, you? Yes? So you did not poop? So you did not poop? Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh, it appears that we've lost engine. Hang on. What? Guys, look! Out. What? Hey. Whoa! Dot, dot, dot. Wait, where is he? I want to find this man. What? Oh my gosh. OMG! You! Oh, monkey! Help! Guys! Oh no! Snakes! I'm also allergic. Oh, what's this? Got a one. Let me in, please. They cannot find me in here. Are those snakes? Yes. Unfortunately, yes. Oh my, I got a nice butt crack. Guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly, let's go to the restroom. We are in. Dumpy time. Guys, we're safe in here. Wait. Aha. You okay? You okay? Please say yes. Don't say no. That was scary. Heck is happening? What the heck is happening? What was scary? What shit the booth? She's not responding. What was... That was scary. We should discuss. What the hell is happening? No. I don't agree. I'm trapped. Hopefully this is not copyright. I don't really care if it... Oh. Shut up. Shut up. Don't say shut up. No. No bad. No bad. Very bad, lady. No bad. You are bad. What? You are bad. What? Yes. Bad thing. Okay. You. Bad thing, you said? Nah. Not nice. Not nice. Not nice at all. Okay. What? Wait a minute. Are we going down? No. Guys? I don't speak English. Oh no! I don't speak English. Uh-oh, what? She just died? That's bad. This mask will keep you safe until... Oh, nice mask. That poor lady did not have a mask. She died. That was so hilarious. I'm like, I do not speak English. I do not speak English. The mask go... Uh-oh, there's no... Oh, I can't see. Guys? Danger. Is everyone okay? Oh my god! What is this? What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no! Wait, where? Where? Oh god, I think I see it. Where? Oh, everyone, calm down. If we... Somewhere cut. Oh, I'm not doing it. Where? Where's the bomb? Huh? I've found a pair of scissors. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? You're an end, mama. Oh, is it over here? Oh, they're over there. I will cut the red cable. Not me, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, crap. Yay! Nice. Good, everyone. Yes. Yay! Yes, we're very happy. Just say, yay! Yes! Yay! I haven't died once. Besides the fact that I nearly died at the beginning with the allergicness. Huh, this girl. She's blue, Daddy. We have heard of the crew in a while. I found them. What? We need to alert the captain quickly to the captain room. Oh, okay. If you say so's. That's not the captain room. Wait, is that the captain room? Where's the captain room? I want to find the captain room. That's the captain room? Nobody knows. But I don't think that's the captain room. I think it's down here. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Guys, it's over here. Captain. It's locked. Yep, it's locked. It's locked? Uh-oh. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Uh-oh. This door needs a code. If we find... we might be able to open it. Oh, yeah, she's going. Go down there. They know what the code is. I know what it is too. I saw it earlier. Like, I saw it. They were, like, hanging next to it. I found the code! Beautiful. Let's go inside. Okay, black. All fades to black. Oh, Captain! Crap! Hello? You good? You good? I don't know if he's good, guys. You will pay for what you've done. Nope, I'm over. You think you are here on... Nope, I'm not going to bother reading it anymore. Bye, guys. Okay, sorry, guys. You just missed whole of the thing because of my dad, okay? But the captain appears to be knocked out. See you in the... The captain is unconscious. Oh, can I drive? The captain is unconscious. That's not good. Uh-ohs, guys. Uh-ohs, what-ohs? The plane is falling out. Are we going to die? The plane is falling. Oh, we need to find the tap-a-lot button. Where? We can't exit there. Click everything. Oh, it's on here. Boop, bap, boop, bap, boop, bap. Oh, I did it. I clicked. I found the button. Why is my thing not appearing anymore? Huh. Well, fish fingers. We did it. Yes, sir. We did it. We saved the plane. Oh, danger. Not anymore. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Me too. I got this mask and I like it, but I'm going to steal this mask. Because I want to. Why are they trying to get out of here? Do they know what's going to happen? I don't know. Like, hellos. Hi? Captain? You okay? Captain? Captain! Wake up! Captain! Now, all we need to do is find the... What? I didn't get to read it. Oh well. Oh, here we go. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everything okay? Yes. No. Yes, we are okay. Mate is on. What? Why can't we exit there? Something's gonna happen. Okay, we've tracked your location and we are taking control. What? What the What the hell? Are you sleeping on your jobs? Get out. Look, I'm mad. Boom. You can't use emotes right now. Oh, okay. Find someone to sit. Oh, I don't get to read it. Boom. Ba-doo. Ba-doo. Lady? Okay, everyone. No. Me! No, me! Not you. I wanna... uh-oh. Stinkies. Oops. Sorry. That girl says, sorry. Your destiny has already been written. Your destiny has already been written. Nope. Dumb. Shut up. Shut up. No! I'm not doing it. Oh, I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Yes, good job. No, not if I get in your way. Hi guys, I'm back and dancey time. Da 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 da. This is ha 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 ha. Da 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 da. It's gone. It's that looks like a monster. Nah. Nope. What? Nope. Hop. Nope, hop. I don't think this dude is okay. Shall I do something about this? Woo! Cars, let's get back home. Now I'm about to throw up. Oh yeah. Aeroplane. Bah. Victory Royale. Yeah, Fortnite I hate Fortnite, but I just decided to say that. Aeroplane. Victory. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. So guys, that was Aeroplane. Just Aeroplane. So if comments are turned on this video, comment, should I do Aeroplane? Okay, Aeroplane 3. And shall I also do, this is the one I've already done. Shall I do Aeroplane 2? Shall I do Aeroplane 2? Or shall I do... What? Okay, shall I do Aeroplane 3 next? Or Aeroplane 2? Which, yeah, I want to do Aeroplane, Aeroplane 2. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.